Here's a flashback at when I first got my lady. All the wiring was so terrible, the interior was shot. It was supposed to just need brake pads that led onto more. Total including the car, I had about $15,000 into it. But about $3,700 didn't make it to the car. It sold on eBay for $6,300, but I'll probably get about $5,500 after fees. So I took a big loss on it, but I did get the experience. Learned how to strip interior, apply PR15, apply lizard skin, do wiring from nothing, install seats from one car to another, went to shows, made friends. So got a lot from this car, even though I took a loss on money. Gathering the car with everything that's gonna go with it, taking one last look. And off it goes.